concrete pipes. It's flowing like crazy up there. Real easy, real easy. There you go, feather the throttle. Good job.
Rocks.
Requires 2 hands on the steering wheel. This is cool. I would just steer this way a little bit and keep hammering on. You got it. You got it, girlfriend. Oh, dude. Start up immediately. Foot on the brake. Back up and then come way over here, like 2 feet this way. Yeah. Steer that way hard. Yep, you got it. Stay in it. This is awesome. Footage for my sponsor. Go. In this video we did a full lap of the riding area at River Ranch. It was my first time out there, really enjoyed it. Very pretty, nice clean property, wasn't super busy. I actually like all the rules and stuff. It's a little more expensive than Holopaw. An access lot's about $800, and then you're looking at about $300 a year in property tax, membership fees, and guest pass. With the guest pass you can bring 2 guests on certain weekends, so that's nice. That's how I was able to come out there. I definitely would get that. They are strict, you know, about bringing guests, number of people, and all that stuff. But that's why it's so much cleaner than Holopaw, and there's not trash everywhere, and there's not burned down camps everywhere, and the parking lot's not a disaster. So I like it. So that's an unpopular opinion with the Holopaw people, but Holopaw needs something like River Ranch. Maybe not as strict, but they need something, or it's going to get ruined even more. Anyways, really pretty trails. We found some cool deep spots to play in the river, and just really gorgeous out there. Like nice oak trees, a lot better shade than Holopaw. The trails are way smoother. They don't have as much traffic on them, so they're not all whooped out. And a lot of the trails actually flow like a river. So you're just cruising. You're getting this nice mist of cool water on you. Very nice, very relaxing ride. I'll definitely be getting some property out there soon. Highly recommend checking it out if you're in the area. And again, everyone's going to comment, oh, where's this property? Can I go to the mud park? No, you can't just do that. It's like Holopaw. You have to own property out there. It's very strict. So don't just think you can show up and go ride. You're fine, you're fine. Oh, this is cool. It's like a seawall. Nice. Yeah, this would be clean. You'll see all the mud running down it from all the assholes that drive in it. Hey, let's go down the river. Mint. You can climb out there. Nice. It's a bit nippy. I'll put you on the high side. So that's where I wanted to go, but obviously it looks like they block off a lot of areas here. That's kind of gay. There's a trail back through there on Google Maps. Huh. See that big loop? All blocked off. Big time, man. They put a lot of work into blocking that off. I love how it's flowing. That's so nice. Yeah. You guys want to follow the river? Nothing for a Honda. The YXZ probably would have got stuck already. I wish my drone was working. I wanted to bring it. It's all fucked up. I ordered a new one after the key. Oh, not too bad. Oh, there it goes. You ready to get wet? Yeah, you are. You're gonna stand up?
Yeah.
All right, good luck. Here we go. She can fucking stand up in here. Look at that. That's a serious canal. Is that even on the map?